Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to start and grow your online business. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 businesses you can start online for $100 or less. Yes, you heard me right, $100 or less. These are not get-rich-quick schemes, but legitimate business models that have proven to be profitable and scalable. So, if you're ready to take action and start your own online business, keep watching. The first business you can start online for $100 or less is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale you generate. You don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, shipping, customer service, or anything like that. All you need is a website or a blog where you can share your honest reviews and recommendations of the products or services you're promoting. You can also use social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your affiliate links. There are many affiliate programs you can join, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and more. You can choose products or services that are relevant to your niche and audience. For example, if you have a blog about fitness, you can promote fitness equipment, supplements, online courses, etc. The commission rates vary depending on the program and the product category, but they can range from 1% to 75% or more. To start affiliate marketing, you need to invest in a domain name and a web hosting service for your website or blog. You can get both for less than $100 per year from providers like Bluehost, HostGator, SiteGround, etc. You also need to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience and builds trust with them. You can use tools like Grammarly, Hemingway Editor, Canva, etc. to help you with writing and designing your content. You also need to learn how to optimize your website or blog for SEO, search engine optimization, so that you can rank higher on Google and get more organic traffic. You can use tools like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Yoast SEO, etc. to help you with SEO. The second business you can start online for $100 or less is dropshipping. Dropshipping is when you sell products online without having to buy or store them yourself. You simply find a supplier who has the products you want to sell and list them on your online store. When a customer places an order on your store, you forward the order details to the supplier and they ship the product directly to the customer. You don't have to worry about inventory management, fulfillment, shipping costs, or customer service. You only pay the supplier for the product after you receive payment from the customer. The main advantage of dropshipping is that you don't need a lot of capital to start. You can sell thousands of products without having to buy them up front. You also don't need a physical location or warehouse to store them. You can run your dropshipping business from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection and a laptop. To start dropshipping, you need to create an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, etc. These platforms charge a monthly fee that ranges from $29 to $299, depending on the features and functionality you need. You also need to find a reliable supplier who has the products you want to sell and offers fast and affordable shipping options. You can use platforms like AliExpress, Spocket, Salehoo, etc. to find suppliers from different countries and niches. You also need to market your store and drive traffic to it using strategies like social media marketing, email marketing, influencer marketing, paid ads, etc. The third business you can start online for $100 or less is freelancing. Freelancing is when you offer your skills and services online to clients who need them. You can work on projects that match your expertise and interests and set your own rates and schedule. You can also choose who you want to work with and how much work you want to take on. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Thank you in advance.